Get ready for spring cleaning a little bit early and stock up on some amazing cleaning supply deals at Dollar General this Saturday, February 11th. Hi, my name is Mandy, the creator of Love Live Save, helping you to save money with easy couponing tips every week. Subscribe now and hit the like button to support my weekly couponing deals. It's greatly appreciated. And then just a reminder that Dollar General does their price increases every Tuesday, so make sure you double check all of your prices before you go to the store on Saturday. Also, I want to say thank you so much to all of my amazing Patreon subscribers. You guys are totally awesome. I absolutely adore you. If you're interested in becoming one of my Patreon subscribers and support my YouTube channel here, the link is down in the video description. It will take you over to my Patreon page where you'll find all the information you need. For a small monthly fee every month, you gain access to my complete deals list and some other awesome couponing benefits, so make sure you check it out. So let's get started with the awesome cleaning supply deals, and this has to be one of my favorite ones because I finally got a dishwasher working. I'm super excited. So for our first deal, grab 3 bags of the finished Quantum dishwasher tablets, 2 packs of the 2-count Airwick plug-in refills, and 2 bottles of chlorine cleaner. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $33.35. But after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $16.10 plus tax. So that makes for a total savings of $17.25. And again, I forgot to mention, of course, that includes a 5 off 25 Saturday coupon. You gotta make sure you clip that one. Now this week, I unfortunately caught some awesome cooties from my son who is a preschooler. So I want to focus this Saturday to stock up on some awesome disinfecting products for my son's class. So first, for our second deal, grab 2 bottles of the Lysol all-purpose cleaner, 1 can of microban spray, 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits, and 1 of the Airwick plugins. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.50. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $11.25 plus tax. So that makes for a total savings of $15.25. That's an awesome deal to stock up on some great disinfecting products. For our third cleaning supplies deal, grab 2 of the Airwick Essential Mist refills, 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist kits, a Febreze Air Effects, and 1 of the Febreze plugins. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $31.50. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $9.90 plus tax. So that makes for a total savings of $21.60. What an amazing deal to stock up on some awesome products to make your house smell amazing. Now, I don't know about you, but I am constantly running out of paper towels in my house. I don't know why. It's almost like I'm not a couponer. I don't know why I don't have paper towels in my stockpile on a steady basis. So this week, I'm going to work on that. For our fourth cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 of the Swiffer Pet dry refills, 1 of the microban sprays, 1 6-count pack of Sparkle paper towels, a Febreze Air Effects, and 1 of the Febreze plugins. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.70. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $10.10 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $15.60. I've got a lot of requests for Tide deals, and luckily this week we got a couple great Tide coupons. So for our 5th cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 of the small size bags of Tide Pods, a big tub of Tide Pods, and 2 of the chlorine cleaners. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.45. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $16.95 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $10.50. Our 6th cleaning supplies deal is super easy and very much a beginner couponer friendly. Grab 2 of the 3-count packs of Febreze plug-in refills. Our total retail value for both packs comes to $27. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $16 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $11. Super easy, super awesome. Our 7th cleaning supplies deal is going to help me get my kitchen back in order because again, me and my son have been sick this week, which of course means no cleaning is getting done. So grab 2 of the Finish Jet Dry Cleaners, 1 Dawn Power Wash, a 6-count pack of Sparkle paper towels, and finally 1 of the Febreze Air Effects. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.10. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $11.80 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $13.30. Now, I just realized I totally forgot to mention when we had that first deal in the video with the finished Quantum dishwasher tablets, and as well as this one, make sure you check your Ibotta app. There are Ibotta offers for both the finished Quantum and the finished Jet Dry. So make sure you stock up. Our 8th cleaning supplies deal is going to help you to stock up on some of my favorite cleaning supplies that Dollar General sells. Grab 1 tub of True Living OxyCleaner, 1 bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer, which I'm out of, unfortunately, by the way. Grab 1 bag of Tide Pods, 1 bag of Gain Flings, and 1 Febreze plug-in. Before coupons, our total retail value comes at $26. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $15.20. So that's a total savings of $10.80. For our 9th cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 of the Clorox Mists, 1 microban spray, 2 bottles of Chlorine cleaner, and 1 6-count pack of sparkle paper towels. Before coupons, our total retail value comes at $26.95. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.45 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $12.50. For our 10th cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 small bag of Gain Flings, 1 bottle of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, the one that's $6, 1 Colgate Optic White toothpaste, a Febreze Air Effects, and 1 of the Swiffer Duster starter kits. I absolutely love that coupon, by the way. Super excited to stock up on it. Before coupons, our total retail value comes at $26.75. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.45 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $15.30. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you could do me a favor, leave a comment down below and let me know which was your favorite couponing deal in this video. It kind of helps me plan out future deal videos for you. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to click on that subscribe button and help support my channel. I'm working on a rather large subscriber goal for 2023, so your help is appreciated. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell as well and turn on all notifications. That way, when I post any of my future deal videos, of which this week I got a lot of videos to share with you, or I do one of my fun couponing after dark live chats, you'll receive a notification and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.